is the bottom half. It's basically going to carry the thing. And all of the valves you see are powering the inflatable.
This is what they use to press things onto hats, and we're just using it to seal a leak that we just found when we inflated it.
This is it's a string that they're going to use to support the arm as the first time it inflates. So it's just sort of a safety test. So hopefully it's safer to have the string than it is me trying to zing it up there into the ceiling. And the life of the Wilson Center.
Yeah, I want it to nestle. These are the nestlers. The whole thing is that it collapses in a way that allows it to get back up. So these are just like these, literally like they go like this, and then the axles of the inflatables come and rest here. Like the inflatable's like, and then it comes like this.
We just got it to steer today, so this is like my first time driving it.
You try it?
Sure. So forward is forward on each wheel. So now you're powering both wheels, but left doesn't go back when you stop it.
Look at all that! Look at all that technology on that car. I never made a cart before.
Well, it's good to have the foundation to build upon, right?
Yeah. We're gonna run this, which is one half of it. That part is in the box, but we gotta really just test this part. But I think we can even drive this shape around with that thing. So it's a 24-foot thing. We're gonna try to hook the blowers up to this manual manifold.
Yeah.
And then just fill this up with volume and just see how long it takes, and just do a couple tests of it.